Slow pulse in the night, like a light on the wall that won't fade. Calling names in the darkness, staying on. If someone's afraid, Hawkins sleeps under streetlights, bikes against the wind. A town that looks so normal, but something's breathing underneath. Lights still on in the bedroom, trying not to disappear. A voice echoes through the silence. Will, can you hear me here? We were just kids with fear in our eyes. Side by side the dark felt small. One room was enough to save us before the fall. 'Cause in Hawkins the real things make no sound. They pull you under, slowly drag you down. You don't need monsters to feel afraid. Some wounds are born when people fade. We ride the night, we stand our ground. Stranger things don't make a sound. Dice rolling on the table, door shut tight, imagination burns. Playing heroes in a basement before the world decides who we become. Mothers screaming into silence, fathers who don't know how to stay. Kids who feel too much too early, long before they find their way. Close your eyes, you'll see it too. A world flipped upside down. It looks a lot like growing up when no one's around. 'Cause in Hawkins the real things make no sound. They stay inside, they stick around. You don't need blood, you don't need blood, you don't need screams. The darkest places in between. We fight the dark, we don't back down. Stranger things don't make a sound. Stranger things don't make a sound. Stranger things don't make a sound. Oh. Christmas lights on the wall, spelling hope, spelling fear. It was never just a story, it was who we were back then, right here. Friendship was our only weapon, fear was telling us the truth. Growing up too fast means losing pieces of your youth. In Hawkins the real things make no sound. They live in us, they're still around. No nostalgia, just memory of who we were, of who we'd be. We stand together, lost and found. Stranger things don't make a sound. Slow pulse fades away, like a light left on for someone who didn't come home.